Good morning, children. Today we'll start with the new lesson of maths, that is addition of two-digit numbers. Okay. Today we'll learn addition concept, properties and addition of two-digit numbers without regrouping. Okay. Now let's start with the addition concept first. Addition means, children, putting the objects together, or addition means finding the total of the numbers. Addition is the process whereby we put objects together. Addition means putting the objects together or finding the total. Okay. The words like in all together, or together, total, sum, these words are used in addition. Okay. For example, Minty had 32 rupees. She got 65 rupees from her mother. How many rupees does she have now? Children, Minty had 32 rupees and she got 65 rupees from her mother. And now we have to find how many rupees she has with her now. Okay. To find that, what we have to do? We have to count or total the number of Minty had and she got from her mother. So 32 is called as first addend. It is called as the first addend, and the number which we write below the first addend is called second addend. Okay. And after adding first addend and second addend, we'll get one answer. Yes. And that answer is called as sum. Okay. This is the first addend. This is the second addend. And the answer is called as sum. Okay. Children, while adding the numbers, we have to add the numbers in the ones place first, then in the tens place. Okay. Now 2 plus 5 is 7. How you count 2 plus 5? By using your fingers also you can count, or you can draw lines and also you can count and write. See, for example, here draw 2 lines first. 2 is there, so draw 2 lines. Then again draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now count in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 plus 5 is 7. Okay. You can count by your fingers also, or else you can draw the lines like this and count together, all together, and write the answer. Okay. Now 3 plus 6 is 9. Okay. This is the first addend. This is the second addend, and the answer is called as sum. Okay. Now we'll see the properties of addition. There are mainly two properties of addition. First one is the zero property of addition, and second is the order property of addition. First we'll see what is zero property of addition. Okay. Zero property of addition means when 0 is added to any number or any number is added to 0, the sum is the number itself. See, when you add 0 to any number, or when you add any number to 0, then the answer will be the number itself. Okay. Because 0 will be not having any value. Yes. So when you add any number into 0 or 0 into any number, the answer will be the number itself. For example, see here, 3 plus 0 is 3 only. Yes. When you add 0 into 3, you will get answer as 3 only. The answer will be the number itself. When you add 3 plus 0, the answer will be 3 only. Or else when you add 0 plus 3, the answer will be the number itself. Okay. For example, for one more example, 27 plus 0 will be, when you add 0 into any number, the answer will be the number itself. So the answer will be 27 only. 27 plus 0 is 27 only, or 0 plus 27 will be 27 only. The answer will be 27 only. When you add 0 into any number, the answer will be the number only, number itself. Okay. See one more example. If you add 0 into 100, the answer will be 0. 100 plus 0 will be 100 only. Yes, the answer will be the number itself. When you add any number into 0 or 0 into any number, the answer will be the number itself. Okay. Then the second property is order property of addition. According to the order property of addition, it tells that the order of the addends does not change the sum. Means the order of addends. This is the first addend and this is the second addend. If you add like this also, you will get the same number. Otherwise, you can keep this second addend as a first addend and first addend as a second. Then also you will get the same answer. Yes. See for example, here 14 is the first addend and 32 is a second addend. If you add 14 into 32, you will get 46 as a addend. Yes. Here in this case, if you exchange the numbers, if you exchange the order of addends, then here 14 is the first addend. Here they have taken 14 as a second addend. And 32 is the second addend here. Here they have taken as first addend. If you exchange the or change the order of the addends, then also you will get the same answer. 32 plus 14 is 46. 32 plus 14 is 46. Yes. Here 14 plus 32 is also 46. Yes. So if you change the order of the addend first and second and first, then the answer will be the same only. Okay. See for example, here I'll take the first addend as 56. This is the first addend. Okay. And 43 is a second addend. I'll take the 56 as a first addend and 43 as a second addend. This is the second addend. Now add these numbers. 6 plus 3 is 9 and 5 plus 4 is also 9. Yes, I got the answer as 99. If you change these addends, the order of addends, now change these addends and let's see. 43 is a second addend here. Take this as first addend. And 56 you take as a second addend. Now add these numbers. We have exchanged the order of addends here. Yes. Now add the numbers. 3 plus 6 is 9 and 4 plus 5 is also 9. See, in both the cases the answer is same. Yes. If you exchange the order of the addends, then the answer will be the same only. Okay. According to the zero property of addition, when you add 0 to any number or any number to 0, then the answer or sum will be the number itself. Okay. And the second property is order property of addition. According to this, if you change the order of the addends, the sum will be the same only. The sum will not change. The answer will not change. It will remain as same. Okay. Now see here children, they have given one exercise. Find the sum. We'll solve this. Okay. 22 plus 0 will be 22 plus any number. When 0 is added to any number, then the sum will be what children? The number itself. Yes, this is the zero property of addition. Yes. So the answer is 22 only. 22 plus 0 is 22 only. Now see here, 0 plus 40 will be, if 0 is added to any number, then also the number or the answer will be, the sum will be the number itself. So the answer is 40 here. 0 plus 40 is 40 only. 22 plus 0 is 22 only. When you add 0 with any number, then the answer will be the number itself. This is a 0 property of addition. Now see this B1. 34 plus 13 is, or 13 plus 34 is, will solve the sum. Any one sum will solve in the rough book, and then we'll write the answer here. Okay. See here, 34 plus 13. Okay. We have to start adding the numbers from ones place. Yes. 4 plus 7 is 4 plus 3 is 7, and 3 plus 1 will be 4. So the answer is 47. Change the order of addends. Let's exchange the orders. Write 13 first and 34 as the second addend. Then add the numbers. 3 plus 4 will be 7, and 1 plus 3 will be 4. So the answer is same in both the sides, and this is the order property of addition. Let's write this answer in the box. Okay. 47. We got the answer as 47. If you add 34 into 13, you will get 47, or 13 into 34 will get 47 only as the answer. When you exchange the order of addends, then the answer will not change. Yes, the answer will remain as same only. The sum will be the same only. Okay. Now we'll learn, children, addition of two-digit numbers without regrouping. Okay. Let's start solving the sums. Okay. Find the sum. 35 plus 23. Okay. Children, whenever we add the numbers, we have to start adding the numbers from ones place first. Okay. You can use your fingers also, or else you can draw the lines and count together all the lines, and you can write the answer. See, for example, 5 plus 3. Draw first 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. Then again draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Okay. These 5 lines we have drawn first, then 3 lines. Then count the lines all together now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer will be 8. You can use your fingers also to count the numbers. Okay. To add the numbers. Now 3 plus 2. Draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Then again 2. 1, 2. Count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 58. When you add 35 into 23, will get answer 58. Children, whenever you draw the lines, don't draw the lines in the textbook. Draw the lines in the rough book, or take one page and draw there. Only answers you will write here. Okay. Now see second example. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay. Then 6 plus 2 will be 8. 64 plus 22 is 86. We got the answer as 86. Now children, solve the remaining sums from page number 94. Okay. Solve and send me. Okay. Thank you.